Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another guess what's in the bag video, aka box video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. It's from another YouTuber. What is up everybody, how's it going? So before we get started on this guess what's in the bag video, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. So this came from another YouTuber. So this bag is from seam to seam. It is 9.5 inches from the inside of the bag. On the outside it is 8 inches and 5/8 wide. It is 11.5 inches long. And it is 2.5 inches thick in the highest point. This is an item I did purchase from another YouTuber. It was sent to me after I purchased it. Don't think that you can see it. I don't think it's close enough for you guys to see, so here, I'll flip it over, that way, no addresses or anything like that are shown. But what do you guys think is in the bag? It is nice and squishy. It's soft. But, that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick, have fun video. And, something I purchased and picked up. It is a very large tool tuber. Maybe I will give you guys a hint. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates as always. Want to say thank you to the viewers. You guys are the reason that I monetize. All the people that watch, like, dislike, comment, subscribe, are not subscribed to the channel but stop by. People that watch the ads on some of the videos for a brief moment or so, as well as the people that use the affiliate links. I want to say thank you to all of you because you are the reason that the channel is monetized and is making money. I am going to be picking up some wood with channel money, or money from the channel that the channel made, and we're going to start doing head-to-head videos. As well as I need to pick up 2 Sheepmaster jaw horses for personal projects and stuff, but we're going to be using them on the channel as well for the head-to-heads. I got Ryobi tool, 18 volt tools now. I don't have any 40 volt, but who knows, maybe in the future. If you guys, anybody wants to provide Ryobi tools for testing, try to get a hold of me in the comment section or email. On the description page of my YouTube, there is an email if you guys want to get a hold of me. I will more than likely am not going to be buying any hammer drills, impact drivers, tools that I have a lot of from a lot of different brands. I'm more than likely not going to pick that up for Ryobi, but if you want to send some older tools, or maybe you bought some of the new HP tools and you have some of the older 4 or 5 or more year old Ryobi hammer drills and stuff like that, and you want to provide them to the channel for the tool testing, please let me know in comments. I would be more than happy to do testing on tools that anybody can provide to the channel. If you guys want to provide them, I will send them back when I'm done with the videos. If that's something that you wish, no big deal. If you don't want to send tools, it's not a big deal either. Just keep doing what you do. Like, comment, and hang out with us on the videos and the live streams. I'm thinking about doing live streams more. You guys let me know about the live streams if you want more live streams. But we got Ryobi 18 volt DeWalt, 8 volt, 12 volt Extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt Flex Volt, 120 volt Flex Volt, as well as Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as we're going to be bringing the 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools that just came out to the channel as well. We got Metabo 18 volt, Metabo 12 volt. We got Metabo HPT or Hitachi power tools. Metabo as well, which is 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. We got Bosch sticks, 18 volt. We got Milwaukee M12 and M18 non-fuel brushed and fuel brushless. As well as we have Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt. I got a bunch of corded tools as well as pneumatic tools as well. But corded tools, I have a lot of Stanley. I have some Black & Decker. I have Porter Cable. I have Metabo old corded tools, as well as I have Makita and Bosch. I'm pretty sure I have a couple other brands that I'm not thinking of. Pneumatic brands, I've got quite a bit. Snap-on, Campbell Housefield, Earthquake XT, as well as several other brands. SP Air, SP Tools, and a few others. But if any of those things interest you guys, please smush the bell notification icon for future updates on those. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!